If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Spotify, don't worry. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and successfully complete your verification. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Spotify account. Look for any messages from Spotify regarding your verification attempt. Sometimes they may provide additional instructions or information. Step 2. Review your information. Double-check the information you provided during the verification process. Ensure that your name, date of birth, and any other required details are accurate and match the information on your identification. Step 3. Use a different device. If verification fails, try using a different device or browser. Sometimes, technical issues can prevent successful verification, and switching devices may help resolve these problems. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or if you're using the app, try reinstalling it. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing issues during the verification process. Step 5. Contact Spotify support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Spotify. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from support.